It's National Allotments Week, and this year the theme is Grow to Learn. With that in mind, we put together this quick video with some of our best allotment tips. With another heat wave on, your water bill will keep on climbing. So here are 5 ways that you can reduce mains water use on your plot. 1. Harvest water with a water butt. Even with a light shower, your water butt will fill quicker than you think, and the water is completely free. 2. Water in the morning, not the middle of the day. This means less evaporation and more time for the water to reach the roots. 3. Mulch your beds. A layer of straw or compost helps lock moisture into the soil so you don't need to water as often. 4. Plant thirsty crops together so that you're not having to water the whole plot just to reach a few. And 5. Water deeply. This trains the roots to grow down to the moist soil rather than just on the surface. National Allotment Week is the perfect time to take on a new plot, but planting straight away is the mistake that almost everybody makes. Before anything goes in the ground, walk the plot properly so that you can note where the sun sits during the day and where water collects after it rains. Next, clear it in sections. It's less overwhelming and you'll end up finishing the plot. Test the soil if you can, because this will tell you what will thrive in the soil you have. Sort out the basics early. Somewhere to store tools, a water butt or a water source, and a compost heap. And finally, talk to your neighbours on site. They know the soil, the weather, and the plot's history better than anybody else. An allotment is the perfect hobby to work on with the kids. Let them sow something easy and fast growing like radishes or sunflowers so they can actually see the results. Set up a simple compost bin at home for kitchen scraps and then let them bring it down to the plot themselves. Turn watering into their job. Give them their own small watering can. They take it far more seriously when it's genuinely theirs. And let them get muddy. Hunting for bugs and worms is the easiest way to make soil interesting. And half an hour on the plot together teaches more than a lesson at a desk. Everybody thinks about fresh fruit and veg, but nobody really mentions the real reason that allotment holders stick at it for years. Here's their secret. It gets you outside on days you may otherwise stay in. Come rain or shine, being outside more than usual can really change your week. It's one of the few places where slow progress actually feels good. Nothing on a plot grows overnight, and you learn to be okay with that. You end up part of a community, a site full of people who are happy to share advice, seeds, or just a chat. A place where you can think and be away from screens and phones and other things demanding your attention. If your plot's looking stressed, you don't have to try and save everything at once. Start prioritizing. Established fruit and veg with deep roots can handle more than seedlings, so put your limited water there first. Next, cut back on planting until conditions ease. Now is not the time to be planting crops from scratch. Mulch anything you can. It slows moisture loss more than anything else you can do this week. Get the priorities right and your plot can make it through this heat in much better shape than expected. Those are our tips for this National Allotments Week. If you have any tips and experience with managing your own allotment, then let us know in the comments.